This is a drawing taken by a drone hunter when capturing a drone. The face can see itself as. The drone hunters, however, showed no sportsmanship by carrying a net under the fuselage. It soon caught up with a smaller drone and took it down. The aerial interception system turns out to be a fully automated system developed by a foreign company. Anti-drone interception. The system can autonomously detect unauthorized drones based on AI. Tracking and intercepting aerial targets. Capture unmanned aerial vehicles in destructive areas. The machine itself adopts a lightweight carbon fiber 8-axis frame. After takeoff, the net is concealed beneath the drone to reduce flight drag. Surface detection system through. After a 3D LiDAR array detects a target flying illegally, it will transmit the signal and its location. Standard. Real-time data is sent to drone hunters, who then rely on G's vision system and AI calculations to get close. LA locks down illegal drones. At this time, actively open the net in the air. The method of capturing this illegal drone using physical nets was fully implemented. The unmanned automated operation system can take off and execute within 5 seconds of receiving an intrusion warning. Bar. The maximum interceptor speed is 100 km per hour and the maximum weight is 20,000 kilograms. K's various consumer-grade and industrial-grade black flying drones. After interception, the target drone can also be safely brought back to the ground. Face-to-face evidence collection. SION is a powerful tool for capturing suspects in key airspace security areas such as airports, large-scale events, and no-fly zones. This drone is flying right in front of you, yet you can't see it at all. Named Phantom Suspended Drone. To use expensive light, the technology doesn't rely on sci-fi camouflage to achieve invisibility, it simply relies on pure. The mechanical structure design allows the entire outer casing to rotate at extremely high speeds. The ultimate motion blur effect is achieved through this. The human-machine interface blends seamlessly into the background, becoming almost invisible even in sunlight. At the same time, it will adjust its center of gravity in real time to ensure that no part of the fuselage remains stationary. This also confirms one point. To become invisible in the air, one does not need to invest heavily in stealth technology. Research and development costs can be reduced simply by cleverly utilizing physical principles. This is an omnidirectional drone launched by the French startup Erix, relying on omnidirectional propulsion. It can enter the system and can do anything, maintaining stability and control in flight attitude. It can achieve free flight and perform smooth serpentine maneuvers, demonstrating remarkable aerial agility. Compared to the Hummingbird, its body is 40 centimeters square, which is not small, but its power is ridiculously strong. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds, speeding up to 200 km per hour and possess each small flight capability with wind resistance of 100 km per hour and a maximum payload of 1.5 kilogram. Equipped with 32 mechanical connection points, it can be integrated with various reconnaissance equipment according to mission requirements. And AI vision module. This design enables the drone to be used in a variety of applications, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and electromagnetic interference, even to carry out interception or attack missions. You've definitely never seen this kind of aircraft before. Sitting in the center of the 4 large discs, each disc contains 25 drones, meaning 100 drones could. It will take you into the air, but that's just the basics. A more advanced design looks like this. Only 18 high-speed propellers are needed to take you off. Hovering in the air can also achieve 360. The advanced version of this drone, which spins around, is called AI's Life. Don't be fooled by his understated all-black design. The equipment it comes with can be quite versatile. To minimize the weight of the drone, all the propeller components are made of screws made of titanium. Propellers are even more. The use of carbon fiber materials enabled The drone's weight has been reduced to 195 kilograms. The cab design is also very simple, except for the LCD screen in front of it. Outside, only one control lever remained, and its bottom design had 6. A mechanical leg can not only be used, it takes off and lands on land because it is hollow. Design. Therefore, drones can also land on water. Unlike other aircraft, this one is a powered ultralight aircraft, even if you don't have a pilot's license. It can also be piloted normally thanks to the powerful semi-autonomous nature of drones in computing. With the help of the machine, anyone can train for just 1 hour on the simulator to experience real flight. How about it? Would you like to experience a helicopter that requires a pilot? Have you ever seen one? Driving with a remote control device is even possible. How exactly does it achieve autonomous flight according to a preset program? Actually, it's unique to unmanned helicopters. This unmanned helicopter, with its unique characteristics, was invented by a Japanese company. Goods specifically for express delivery. Goods transportation requires knowledge that Japan's terrain is mostly mountainous and hilly. The area is not suitable for cars. Driving. This deliveryman's job has caused difficulties, with goods often arriving late. However, this has resulted in customer complaints, but if unmanned helicopters are used for delivery, it would be possible to avoid the problem. Depending on the terrain, directly delivering packages to your door, depending on the specific usage scenario, unmanned delivery is available. The helicopter has two control modes. Which ones need to be sent in? Goods at the courier station. This is a preset forward direction. After pressing the switch, the unmanned helicopter can fly autonomously, and those that need to be delivered. Express delivery to customers. This is achieved through specialized driving. The driver uses a remote control to ensure the goods are delivered intact. The internally mounted high-powered engine can provide a full load capacity of 1,500 kilograms. In some cases, its load capacity can be higher than that of a small truck, and its flight speed is also higher. The speed can reach 80 kilometers per hour. The transportation method, which is not related to terrain, allows him to deliver goods to your door on time every time. The adversary may be studying drone swarm tactics. What is drone swarm tactics? Simply put, it involves multiple drones. Through interconnection using network technology, a network can be formed. Overall coordinated operations or to complete specific tasks. This tactic mimics the natural ecosystem. The swarm behavior of drones allows them to exchange information, cooperate independently, and integrate luck. So how do drone swarm tactics achieve coordinated operations? This mainly relies on 3 core technologies. First, there's the distributed sensing system, which senses each drone's sensors. The device creates a sense of community. The detection range of CNKI has been greatly improved, and secondly, the autonomous decision-making algorithm can analyze the battlefield situation and select the optimal tactics in a very short time. Finally, the modular design of the head allows for interchangeable loads to adapt to various mission requirements. The collaborative mechanism includes distributed control in real time, communication, and autonomous cooperation to ensure that the drones can work together closely and complete tasks efficiently. In actual combat, drones are clustered. Group tactics have been demonstrated. Powerful systems, such as Russia's 3-dimensional strike system and China's Jushin. Heavy unmanned aerial vehicle systems and manned-unmanned joint exercises in the Xinjiang military region are all included. This demonstrates its collaborative combat capabilities. Future drone swarm tactics will be more intelligent, larger in scale, and more functional. More diverse, but also facing challenges such as interference resistance, communication, and battery life. However, this has precisely fueled the enthusiasm for scientific exploration. The situation is driving the continuous development of military technology.